All right, so let's go over word choice. Often in our EOGs or any kind of testing, we're going to see a lot of figurative language and words that are specifically chosen for a piece of text. And many of you seem to really understand figurative language, and I'm so proud of you for the grasp you have on that. Figurative language are those things like similes and metaphors and onomatopoeias and hyperboles and alliteration. The list goes on. But we are still getting stuck with some word choice and vocabulary. And word choice means, why would an author choose a specific word? Is it there to paint a picture? Is it there to make you maybe read something differently or to think about what you're saying? But context clues also help us understand what a word means or what it's trying to say. So you can use the clues in the text to help you find a word's meaning or even to find why that word's there. So you can look before and after the word for clues. You can make a prediction about what the word might mean and then try substituting in your meaning. If you guess what a word means and try and fill in the blank, does that make any sense if you try that new meaning? Think about what the sentence or paragraph is talking about, and does your meaning make sense? And if you're really stuck and it's asking you what a word means, take the answer choices and substitute them for the word that you don't know. So if it says that is a preposterous idea and it asks what preposterous means, then look at the answer choices and take each definition and say that is a, whatever the answer choice A is, idea. See if that makes sense. See if each answer choice makes sense instead of the word it's asking about. And words can have multiple meanings, so this can get tricky, but let's test one. Whatever happens in Earth's climate system affects everything else. Even though Earth has no thermostat, it does have its own control system. The oceans, the land, the air, the plants and animals, and the energy from the sun all affect each other to make everything work in harmony. Nothing changes in one place without changing something in another place. The overall effect gives us our global climate. So it asks, how is the word harmony used in the last paragraph? And this can be tricky because often when we think of harmony, we think of music. But first, let's go back and see where it says harmony. And it says that everything works together to make everything work in harmony. The oceans, the land, the air. So, do they have an agreement? Could be. Does it describe a melody? Well, no, they're not singing. Does it explain a friendship? Well, no, the sun isn't friends with the ocean. That doesn't make sense. Is it showing opposites? No, it's not showing opposites. So it's got to be that they're in agreement. Notice how I looked at each answer choice and tested it. If you weren't sure, you could try that substitution. And the energy from the sun all affect each other to make everything work. To describe a melody? No. To make everything work to explain friendship? No. But to indicate an agreement does work. So that's what you need to do for vocabulary. Think about why answer choices or why words are chosen and what specific purpose they have there and their meaning within the sentence.